Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to pair now? Put your Bluetooth speaker or headphones into pairing mode so the TV can discover it immediately. On the Roku, navigate to Settings, choose Remotes and Devices, then Bluetooth Devices, select Pair New Device. Once done, the Roku scans. This is why proximity and active pairing mode matter. Make sure your TV's Wi-Fi is on because some Roku TVs use network-assisted discovery. If a PIN appears, enter it on your accessory or confirm on screen. When the accessory appears, select it promptly. If nothing shows, toggle the accessory's pairing and hit Scan again. Once selected, you'll see a connecting message and then Connected. This confirms the Bluetooth profile negotiated audio. After connection, go to Settings right arrow audio right arrow speakers to route sound to the paired device or change volume modes. If latency or volume imbalance occurs, adjust device volume and Roku speaker settings. This balances levels and reduces lag for video. Keep both devices. Finish by playing a short clip and listening for sync and consistent volume. If audio lags, try toggling volume modes or lowering streaming quality briefly to test. Should you get dropouts, move the accessory closer, remove physical obstructions, and turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. If the connection still fails, power cycle both the Roku and accessory, then forget the device in Roku and repair from scratch. This restart clears cached profiles and resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.